Today we have a very interesting product for your kitchen. From the first look, it looks like a vegetable or a fruit cutting board. Seriously, do you think I would be giving a review for just a cutting board? And I'm not even going to bother cutting vegetables on this. Definitely this is made up of a very hard food grade plastic, and the dimensions of this board is 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 3 centimeters thick. Is it really just a cutting board? No, it is not. It is a 3-in-1 item. Let me explain what I am talking about. It will convert itself into a vegetable or a fruit or any other item basket. So along with a cutting board, you will get a vegetable fruit basket. It will also convert into a washing bowl for washing your vegetables and fruit. Now, how is it that a cutting board is going to do these three functions? Let's take a look at the design. This is made up of silicone, and when I push this forward, it converts itself into a basket. Just to give you an idea of how many things can be put in this basket, you can stack it up to whatever level you want. In these times of COVID-19, especially when you get all these things from outside, you need to sanitize them and keep it for some time. Instead of cluttering up your kitchen platform, would a basket like this come of use to you? Is the question. Alright, now let's see how it can act as a washing bowl. Let me take off all these things out again. And I have with me a tray of tomatoes. Let me put the tomatoes over here. And this whole thing has to sink into your kitchen basin. This is your drain valve. If you can see the drain valve over here, this is your drain valve. So let's replicate how we'll be able to wash our tomatoes and how we'll be able to drain the water from the tomatoes. So I am using this just to ensure that the water does not drip onto my table. And I've got with me a bottle of water which I'm going to drain into my bowl. Let's wash the tomatoes and drain out the water from the tomatoes. Now for draining out the tomatoes, like I said, this was a drain valve. What you need to do is just keep it pressed till all the water completely drains out from your basin. Sometimes what happens is that due to weight of, say, a tomato or an apple, it might put pressure on the valve itself, and you might find that the water is leaking out. So my suggestion to you in that case is always ensure that this tub is kept in your kitchen basin So even if a little drainage or a little leakage is happening, it will not spoil your platform and with water. Now to drain the water, all that you need to do is press this drain valve and keep it pressed. If you see at the top, the valve has been kept pressed and the water is now collecting into my dish at the bottom. Let the water completely drain out and your work will be done. It'll take a little time, but let the water drain out completely and don't please release the pressure from the drain valve. Once you are done, you can remove your thumb and the water will stop dripping. This is a very, very, very cool item. And I'm 100% sure it'll come of use to you in your kitchen. Please go ahead and buy it. I have bought 2 of such washing cum chopping cum storage boxes for my own personal use, and you will not regret your decision. If you want to purchase, the link is given in the description. Be my guest, buy it. You will not regret your decision. I hope you like the product. I'm sure you have liked the video. Please give a like, subscribe to our channel, and we look forward to bringing such interesting videos for you in the future as well. Till such time, this is goodbye.